I want to take this time to explain the three strands of sixth grade math. So there are typically three things that are expected of each student, one being the textbook homework, one being a personal IXL skill, and one being a class IXL skill. So the textbook homework is your typical math homework assigned nightly, except typically on Fridays. This is a homework out of the book, a worksheet, something to allow the student to practice the skill that was taught in class. The next one that is assigned weekly is their class IXL. This is a skill on IXL that they are expected to get a 90 SMART score or 30 minutes, whichever one happens first, that is going over a skill being taught in class. So, for instance, if we're working on fractions, then they might have a class skill about multiplying fractions. That is a skill that is taught in class that they are expected to practice at home on IXL. The next one is what we call a personal skill. This skill comes from the diagnostic arena. So when you log on to IXL as your student, this is what it will look like. If you click on diagnostic, you will then get their personal scores. So this student's personal scores, he is an overall 610, and then all these other categories. This student in particularly is grade level 6, 10% of the way through overall, which is great. Then you have all of these categories. So in numbers and operations, 5th grade, 80% of the way through. Algebra and algebraic thinking, 6th grade, 20% of the way through. This is a great place to go to figure out how your student's doing overall, where they are in each category. It also is where I, as the teacher, get their personal skill for the week. So if you notice it says 3 recommended skills, if you were to click on that, it would take you to those 3 skills. They are highlighted in purple. Now, those skills may not be on grade level because they're trying to get your student to work to build that section up. So for instance, this one's a 5th grade level. This one's an Algebra 1 level, a 9. So this one's above grade level. This one is 6th grade. And you'll notice it says from the diagnostic arena. So this is where I pick their personal skill for the week. You go back to the diagnostic arena. You can then click more. You could say recommended skills for data and statistics. Those are highlighted in green. So this is on a 5th grade level, this is on a 6th grade level. The grade levels are just to build that skill up to get their diagnostic to move further. So this is where their personal skill comes from. Their class skill is a skill that I pick based on what I'm teaching in the classroom, and they also have textbook homework. All of this is available to you under IXL or under assignments on the lexingtonschool.org's website.